Welcome to today's exploration of the amygdala, a small but mighty part of our brain that plays a crucial role in our emotions and memories. We're going to take a deep dive into the amygdala, explore its functions, and discover how it influences our emotions, memories, and even our social interactions. We'll uncover its role in both our well-being and in conditions like anxiety and depression. Let's get started. The amygdala is best known for processing emotions, particularly those associated with survival, like fear and anger. Imagine encountering a bear in the wild. Your senses send signals to your brain, and the amygdala is on high alert, ready to process those signals. It acts like a high-speed threat detection system, triggering the fight, flight, or freeze response in a split second. But it's not just about fear and anger. The amygdala also plays a role in positive emotions like happiness, love, and pleasure. It helps us form social bonds and experience the world in all its emotional richness. Ever wondered why you remember certain events so vividly, especially those charged with strong emotions? That's the amygdala at work. It's deeply involved in memory formation, particularly emotional memories. Think of the amygdala as a highlighter, emphasizing experiences that carry emotional weight. Together with the hippocampus, it ensures that events with significant emotional impact are etched into our long-term memory. This process is crucial for learning and adaptation, helping us avoid danger and seek out joy. The amygdala isn't just about processing raw emotions. It also plays a vital role in our decision-making processes, especially when those decisions are emotionally charged. It helps us assess risks and rewards, guiding our choices in complex social situations. When faced with a difficult decision, you don't just rely on logic. You also factor in your gut feelings, your intuition. The amygdala evaluates potential threats and opportunities, whispering in your ear. It helps us interpret social cues like facial expressions and body language, allowing us to gauge the emotions of others. The amygdala is essential for our well-being, but imbalances in its activity can lead to problems. When the amygdala becomes overactive, it's like having a smoke detector that goes off every time you toast bread. This overactivity can contribute to anxiety disorders, making individuals hypersensitive to perceived threats. Understanding the role of the amygdala is crucial for developing effective treatments for these conditions. Trauma can leave lasting scars, not just on our psyche, but also on our brain. In post-traumatic stress disorder, the amygdala becomes hypersensitive to trauma-related triggers, reliving the traumatic event over and over again. This can manifest as flashbacks, nightmares, and intense fear or anxiety when exposed to reminders of the trauma. Research on the amygdala is helping us develop new therapies for PTSD, offering hope for those struggling with this debilitating condition. While often associated with fear and anxiety, the amygdala also plays a role in depression. In individuals with depression, the amygdala can become overactive, leading to an amplified experience of negative emotions like sadness, hopelessness, and guilt. This overactivity can also impair emotional regulation, making it challenging to cope with stress and adversity. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy can help regulate amygdala activity and alleviate depressive symptoms. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of the amygdala, this tiny structure that wields such a profound influence on our emotional lives. We've seen how it regulates our fear response, shapes our memories, guides our decisions, and even contributes to complex mental health conditions. Understanding the amygdala's functions and its impact on mental health can help us better manage and treat various emotional and psychological disorders. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of biology. Who knows what other secrets of the brain will unlock in the future?